Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Panda Light has at least 20% battery. This prevents early shutdowns during calibration. Once charged, attach the bulb or diffuser module until you hear a click. This ensures proper electrical contact. You should place the unit on a stable, dry surface away from direct sunlight so sensors read correctly. Next, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to initiate startup. You'll see a steady LED while the firmware checks complete, signaling readiness to proceed. Now configure modes and calibrate sensors. Cycle through ambient, reading, and night modes to understand differences. Hold the mode button to lock a setting when needed. Once in your chosen mode, adjust brightness with the dial or companion app until the lumen level matches the task, brighter for work, dimmer for sleep. After that, enter the calibration menu to tune motion sensitivity and ambient light thresholds. This reduces false triggers. Make sure to save settings so the unit remembers them on reboot. Finish by running a 24-hour test to verify schedules and sensor behavior in real conditions. This catches timing or sensitivity issues. If anything acts unexpectedly, check for and apply firmware updates through the app. Updates often fix stability and connectivity problems. If the light becomes unresponsive, perform a single factory reset and rerun the startup steps. If issues persist, gather the device logs from the app and contact support. One key tip: avoid repeated resets with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.